What's up, Corvette YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Vet, and I'm back with another video. Happy Saturday, everybody!
Yeah. And we got Wingstop.
So tonight's video is gonna be we ordered us some Wingstop, so we gonna have us
big bags. Everybody's gonna wake up with 30 pounds gain.
I wish.
Wingstop mukbang.
Everybody's waking up 30 pounds gain.
Huh.
This is not sweet tea. This tastes like milk.
Your ass been
We can use tear these off too.
This is my fault on the clothes.
Let me get this.
You said what, Greg?
This is my fault. I don't care.
You greedy. Tear one of those
Hey,
the
come
top
on, bro. You
off.
gonna drop all the
Bro,
ranch?
y'all acting like big bags.
Take the Greg, tear the top off.
Look.
No, pour some in the side.
And what you do?
Rip the top off of that right there.
Who you cooking to? You're not going to
The top, that part right there.
Why do you whip these off? Like, I don't know.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get a
Hell up!
Come on, bro. She recording.
I'm trying to get a the top. Then just separate them.
Here, hold on, Dyke.
You want these, honey?
Them hot.
That's
So
that
we
hot
got-
honey rub.
We got
Hot honey rub. We got hot wings. I mean, we got hot. We got barbecue, plain, and yeah, that's about it.
Yeah,
We got
I'm
some fries.
What?
I'm still in.
Okay, can I get my plate? Let me see. I want barbecue.
Who the hell is you?
Let me get one of those hot
Like,
ones
bro,
and
it's
one of
fries
those.
right here.
Shut up, you a thumbnail.
Them cold fries. And they sent us some cold fries, y'all. Greg, can you just get some in
It's drowning.
Oh
my god.
Get a fork, Greg. I said pass me a fork. This one right here just got it. Aaliyah.
Bro, everybody come and eat
Just
now.
get her whole.
5, 8, everybody
chicken.
food up.
There you go.
Down.
Baby.
Because I will.
I will.
I eat all
Fuck out with the microwave.
Greg, I mean Isaiah, no cussing in my video, okay?
Drunk upgrade again.
AJ, come eat.
Oh my god. Can I dip in there?
You got a huge ass.
I would love to dip in that big thing.
Isaiah, you warmed up
No,
all the
you got
fries
that
or just
thing
half
already.
of them? Greg, no, you're not gonna do it like that. Here, pour some in the pan.
Mama, it's looking out
I know.
on the other side of the plate.
Plate. Oh, no, it ain't. This is stop right there.
No, Mom, I'm talking about on the other side.
Man,
right
what is
here.
this?
Oh my God.
Come on, Corvette. Just put it on here.
Isaiah, chill out.
Hey.
Where she go from get to making a mess?
What's good, YouTube?
No, he smokes cigarettes.
Isaiah, chill out.
I'm just trying to figure out why you eating like you never ate before.
I'm hungry. Don't rub on me.
AJ, you eating? Yeah. Come on. You sit here.
Mama, Keontae took us to the store. He talking about something. Where you going? He gonna blow the horn as soon as I'm walking away. Talking about where you going? I said to the store. He talking
I'm about to try one of
get
these
it.
hot ones.
Mommy. Like nigga, don't alright. Oh.
Mom!
What are you?
What?
No, that's why we wasn't at Wingstop.
Y'all was not at Wingstop. Wingstop do not look like that.
No, and they updated it.
Here, don't talk to me because I know you guys are.
I don't care. Never did.
I would love to dip
Isaiah, why you didn't open up the whole fries? Greg, don't
And
do
I got
that.
my toes out. White.
Right. Irritating.
Saying all that.
That's what I was talking about. When you really make it.
Don't own copyrights to the back of the music in the back.
What?
Don't own copyrights to the music in the back.
Who eat hot wings? Like, them is nasty and
What's
hot.
nasty? You eat hot wings right now.
These is barbecue. Shay got hot wings.
What's wrong with that?
And these not even really hot.
Right.
This not even hot at all.
I'm trying the spicy one.
What the hot one now?
Exactly.
Oh, I don't eat that. That's hot.
Exactly. Look at you.
I thought you were talking about these.
No.
Make sure y'all drop a like on this video if y'all eat Wingstop.
Cooking with.
Wingstop.
This ain't cooking with nobody. They cook for us.
What kind is this? The
Cooking
ultimate
with
stuff?
food.
I was gonna get one of those, but
Ugh. Ugh.
I think it's called Atomic.
No,
Bro, it's not hot.
Dip it in the ranch. Okay, dip it in the
My
ranch.
bad.
No, I was trying to figure out what that was.
It's hot.
YouTube,
What?
I want to see. Y'all want to see me and my brother?
Yes, I'm like,
Come on, man. Bro, you dropping ranch.
Ma, what? Oh, this smell like lemon.
Oh yeah, those is lemon
Them the
pepper.
lemon pepper steppers.
You like lemon pepper steppers? I have to try it.
Yeah, you doing too much.
Put your baby on.
I'm not messing with it.
She a copper.
Aaliyah, you just eating ranch? No, you gotta eat the chicken too, okay?
Yeah.
That's super huge.
So y'all, we really ain't got nothing to talk about right now. We just stuff in our face.
So yeah, we just gonna hit y'all back when the update.
Psych.
Mom, before AJ doing that. Mom, before AJ doing that. Do it, AJ.
Why you got on the draw?
No, he got.
Look at him. Mom, look.
AJ.
Yo, big huge.
Where did he learn that dance from?
He learned that.
Jaden,
bus.
no?
And he
Jaden.
be doing this. On that one
You sit
part.
down.
This.
He like,
Section, this hot.
No.
Yes. And they
No,
it's not. How many?
I'd use the top for my
You
plate.
have one?
Now this ranch
That's
is
what I
wasting
got that
everywhere.
Y'all nasty. These not hot. Gotta go.
What?
Everybody that
Them not spicy.
They gotta These not hot or spicy. No, you just
Yeah.
these good. Look at your mouth. Look what you doing with your mouth. What you doing? You got look. Because it's hot. And you know it is. S-E-S-Y-Y. Play with me, I put up.
Come on.
Let me show y'all how y'all eat one of
Where is
Rock out.
those lemon pepper ones? Oh, here they go.
Nah, they nasty. Well, they probably not nasty to you, but they.
Why y'all look so much like y'all got a lot of barbecue sauce on y'all? They barely put
Because ours is
barbecue sauce on
ours
there.
is a little.
Who got kids?
Let me show y'all how y'all bite this. You gotta dip it in the ranch. I love ranch.
She don't have the big mukbang wrench.
Right.
Girl.
Her back big. She gonna wake up 40 pounds higher.
Like,
Cause that's all she
I'm not
she's
getting my
supposed to
juice. It's eat so.
Eat out every day.
Pull that in. Let me feel like your leg.
Come on, mama.
I think that dude ate our chicken. He was fat.
What?
Bro, why are you doing this?
Greg, can you pour me some soda?
Excuse me.
You going out on purpose?
No, I'm not. I have two birds.
I have two birds.
You sound like a white boy.
Right. Why did he say it like that?
I have two birds.
Y'all, this is my best friend, y'all. Somebody is, this is my best friend. And she do too much. Her back big, just like mine.
You know this?
Look at the Jakes. They finna ride past.
My back is big.
Come on, they went past.
My back is definitely big.
AJ, you want some chicken?
Yo, my mama never want to put her
You
face
chicken?
in the camera.
Come on, bro, you forcing it, bro. You slanging wrench everywhere, bro.
Right, you can get it up.
You're not even funny, mommy. Get your ass.
Isaiah, I told you no cussing in my video.
Pat, dude be blowing me. I can kill you. Now you mixed, since you want to look.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
She said, ooh.
You should take a bite, AJ.
Start next.
Mmm.
Bro! Stop eating wrench.
Why I keep doing that? Like,
Who you talking to? Who you talking to?
They didn't put enough spice on these ones.
Stop eating wrench.
and